more. And I finally got it for you. A social media bootcamp over 2 days. Did you hear that? 2 days? Oh! A Friday and a Saturday, October 12th and 13th, I have jam-packed 10 masterclasses. Yeah, did you hear that? 10, not 1, not 2, not 3, but 10 masterclasses. I have curated the agenda really carefully, and it's all based on your insights, on everything that you guys tell me. So I've been listening really careful to you and to the things that you say you want to learn the most. So I've curated an agenda that has tracks across social selling, strategy, and creativity. I'm so excited. I've been working on this for the longest of time. It is finally here, and we're gonna spend so much time together. If there is one thing or 2 things I want you to get out of this bootcamp over these 2 days, is that you are gonna meet so many new people, and you're gonna make a ton of new friends. And that hopefully from all of these 10 masterclasses that I'm gonna be doing, I'm bringing special people, by the way, that they will be giving you triggers to activate certain skills, certain passion points, so that you can then go away and start doing and start implementing. So I'm gonna give you a little summary of what you can expect at this bootcamp. 2 days, Friday and Saturday, October 12th and 13th. So it's not that far away. Oh, it's almost here. Okay, Friday, we are kicking off at 3 p.m. Boom! And Friday is a very special day, which all of the classes very much revolve around creativity. We are kicking off with a very special masterclass brought to you, not me, but Dare. Dare, he is an amazing creative director that I've known for years, and he's pretty exquisite at his craft. He's kind of like a unicorn inside a human body. That's the best way that I can explain. You are going to have a masterclass on creativity for every human. You are going to unlock the creativity that is inside you. How to be more playful, how to be more creative, how to brainstorm. What are the hacks? What are the tips? What is it that we can do to maybe look at things with more heart and more love and more playfulness, which will help you then translate into awesome ideas. Right after that, I am beyond humbled and grateful that Claude Silver from VaynerMedia, she's the Chief Art Officer for Gary Vee, is going to be doing a masterclass for us. Did you get that? That's insane. She's going to be talking to us about how to bring back the humanity into the workplace. How can we really drill in a work culture and have that across all our colleagues and friends and employees? How to drive empathy? How can we really build businesses that are driven by people? And how do we lead with the heart? She's going to be sharing all of this amazing expertise with us of what she does at VaynerMedia over with Gary, which is, I cannot wait to hear this session because there will be so much for us to learn. I'm going to be doing a social media strategy masterclass after the one that you've all asked for. Social media strategy, everybody wants to learn. I'm going to be giving you my full methodology and framework to help you take your strategies to that next level. Right at the end, we're doing something really fun. I wanted to do something more personal, up and close. So we're gonna get in groups, and you're going to have kind of like a table talk, but it's a circle with me, Tom Autumn. I'm sure you've heard of Tom Autumn, and if you haven't, go check him out. The same with the previous speakers. So you're gonna be able to be in groups with me, with Dare, with Tom, and you will be able to ask us key questions about your career and about entrepreneurship, and it's gonna be more up and close and personal, so we can give you real advice. Boom, and that's Friday. Saturday, we're kicking off real early. You know why? Because if you want to learn about Facebook ads and Instagram ads and Facebook ads manager and business manager, you gotta be pretty alert because it's a little bit intense. I'm not doing it alone. I'm bringing Ashley with me, who's part of the team Haas, and we're gonna be doing it together. We're gonna be teaching you how to set up and run your Facebook business ads manager, how to figure it out, all the hidden gems that it has so that your ads can really give you the conversions that you really want. We got 2 sessions on this, so make sure you get them. They are back to back so that you get a really intense know-how about Facebook ads, especially all of the latest new types of ads that I got going on. Can't wait for that. Then, you ready? How many of you have played the social hustle? A lot of you have, but a lot of you haven't. I'm bringing it back. It's gonna be half an hour for you to make connections, get emails, learn how to be more confident, not to be so afraid to talk to humans, how to get over that fear, but how to really ask the right questions. Wonder what those are. I'm gonna be then doing my social media masterclass on how to do business development, leveraging social media, all of the tactics that social media platforms have that can let you grow your business and get leads and the right people. I am going to be doing a masterclass on personal branding. You guys have been asking me so much about this, and I thought this is it. I'm going to do it for you. Building a personal brand can be one of the most powerful things that you do, because that means you do what makes you happy and possibly grow a business out of it. Isn't that epic? So how do you get started? Or maybe you already have a personal brand. How do you take it to the next level? And if that was not enough, boom, we're gonna finish in style. I'm bringing Mimi Rad. She's the image consultant at NBC, and all she does is she styles people and helps people figure out their style. So how can you really stand out from the crowd? What are your best colors and shapes and all that stuff that I'm terrible at? I don't know. The only thing I really figured out was like to have turquoise hair. So these 2 days are jam-packed. There's so much opportunity for you to network and meet new people. You will be able to learn so many new skills across strategy, creative, and social selling. That's why I wanted to give you so much variety. If you don't come, I don't know what you will be doing. I'm really excited. I am so pumped because I'm gonna be spending 2 days with you. 2 days together. And guess what? There's goodies. You're gonna have special discounted rides from Kareem, so you can come and go to the bootcamp and save your money, and Salt will also be there with lots of yummy treats. So come and hang out with me and my special guest and the team host, and we're gonna have 2 epic days of fun and learning and just getting to know each other. And if you're looking for tickets, here is the URL. Get them. Time is running out. I'll see you there.